That subscribe button you added to your video, it might actually be breaking YouTube's brand rules. YouTube has very specific guidelines about how and when you can use their logo, and most creators aren't following them. If you haven't requested permission to use the YouTube logo, you probably shouldn't be using it. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the official rules and best practices for using YouTube's logo and branding elements. What's allowed, what's not, and how to request permission. Let's start with why this matters. The YouTube logo is a trademark, which means it's legally protected. YouTube encourages creators to promote their content, but they also want their brand treated with respect. So let's explore what respectful and proper use really looks like. I've put together some do's and don'ts based on YouTube's official brand guidelines, with real examples so you can see the difference for yourself. Do get every use of any YouTube brand element approved by YouTube. Do follow all brand guidelines, including clear space requirements. YouTube requires a minimum amount of clear space around its logo, equal to the size of the play button triangle. This ensures the logo remains distinct and uncluttered and isn't crowded by other elements on screen. Do use the correct color version. YouTube provides specific versions of the logo for light and dark backgrounds. Using the wrong version, like a full-color logo on a red background, can reduce visibility and violate brand consistency. Refer to brand guidelines to see which version to use when. Do use the current YouTube logo and icon, not old versions. Use the official files from YouTube's Brand Resources page. Do use the YouTube icon in a lineup of social icons, not the logo. Don't modify the YouTube logo or icon in any way. This includes, but is not limited to, changing its proportions, adding effects, rotating, stretching, flipping, or recoloring. The logo must remain untouched and instantly recognizable. Don't place an image within the logo or icon. Don't partially cover the logo with text or graphics. Don't use the YouTube logo in a phrase or sentence. Don't replace letters with the icon. Don't use the logo in your banner or channel art. It's considered redundant since the YouTube interface already displays the logo prominently across the site. Don't use multiple YouTube logos or icons in a pattern or artistic layout. YouTube discourages this as it can appear redundant or diminish the impact of the brand. Let's talk about one of the most common mistakes I see: the customized subscribe button with the YouTube Play icon. It might look helpful or eye-catching, but it almost always breaks the rules. It violates 3 major guidelines. It breaks the clear space rule, it modifies the logo by combining it with text, and it partially covers the icon, all of which are explicitly not allowed in YouTube's brand standards. When I reached out to YouTube's brand permissions team, they did approve my request to use the unaltered play icon as a watermark. If you want to encourage subscriptions, go for a custom graphic of your own, or make a verbal call to action. Just don't alter the official icon. The most important rule of all is this. If you want to use YouTube's logo, icon, or any other brand element, you must submit a request through their official brand use request form. Here's how. Visit the YouTube Brand Resources page. Open the Brand Use Request form. Describe exactly how you plan to use the logo. Be as specific as possible. If it's for an ongoing series, mention that. You will need to attach a mock-up of your design showing exactly how the logo or icon will appear in context. Submit your request, wait for approval, and be sure to follow any conditions they send you. This isn't about being nitpicky or restrictive. It's about protecting your channel and presenting yourself professionally. YouTube's logo is powerful, and using it the right way shows that you take your content and your brand seriously. Follow the rules, request permission, and lead by example, even if other creators aren't doing it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with another creator who might not know these rules. And don't forget to subscribe for more deep dive content and creator tips that help you build your channel the right way.